A very good morning. So today I'll be presenting the presentation of case study 2 cloud computing. Our lecturer for this course is Madam Nosha Hidayu and I am Ebenezer Ivan, and accompanying me along this presentation will be Muhammad Shazrin, and we are from the class DDTN1. Alright, in this slide we'll be seeing about the introduction. So Amazon Web Services, which is called as AWS, provides a broad range of cloud computing solutions to meet the growing demands of businesses worldwide. One of its key offerings in the Elastic Compute Cloud, which is called as EC2, is a fundamental component of the infrastructure as a service, which is called as IaaS model. EC2 enables users to deploy and manage virtual machines known as instances with customizable configuration to optimize first the performance, second is cost, and finally security. The flexibility of EC2 allows organizations to scale resources dynamically, ensuring operational efficiency and business continuity. This report explores Amazon EC2 services, their features, storage options, and as well the concept of regions and availability zones, as well as detailed steps for configuring EC2 instances and security groups. Alright, in this slide, I'll be describing Amazon EC2 services. EC2 here stands for Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud. This is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It allows users to run virtual servers known as instances, which can be scaled up or down based on demand. EC2 supports a variety of operating systems, networking options, and pricing models to cater to diverse workloads. It is designed to make web-scale cloud computing easier for developers by providing flexible and reliable computing power. Alright, in this slide we'll be seeing the relation between AMI and instance. You may ask, what is AMI? AMI is an Amazon machine image. This is a pre-configured template that contains the necessary information to launch an EC2 instance. It includes the operating system, application server, and associated applications. When a user launches an instance, they select an AMI which acts as the blueprint for that instance. Multiple instances can be launched from a single AMI, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Alright, in this slide, we'll be as well seeing about the features of Amazon EC2. We have provided you with 9 features. The first one is scalability and elasticity. This allows users to scale resources up or down based on demand. Secondly is variety of instance types. This offers different instance families optimized for compute, memory, and storage. Thirdly is the security and compliance. This provides security groups, network firewalls, and compliance with various standards. Fourthly is flexible pricing models. This includes on-demand, reserved, and spot instances for cost optimization. Fifthly is integration with other AWS services. Works seamlessly with S3, RDS, Lambda, and other AWS offerings. Sixthly is the auto scaling and load balancing. Here we can see that it ensures applications reliability and efficiency. Seventhly is customizable networking. Here it supports virtual private cloud, which is VPC, for secure networking configurations. Eighthly, it is a monitoring and logging. Here what we can understand is that Amazon CloudWatch helps track performance metrics and logs. And finally, storage flexibility. Here what we could understand is that this supports Amazon EBS, Instance Store, Amazon S3, and EFS. In this slide, I'll be explaining 4 types of storages provided by AWS. The first one is called as Amazon EBS, which the full form stands for Elastic Block Store. What we can understand from here is that this provides persistent block storage volumes that can be attached to EC2 instances. EBS volumes are highly available and can be used for database file system and other applications requiring reliable storage. Secondly is the Amazon EC2 Instance Store. This is a temporary block storage located on the disk physically attached to the host machine. Instance store volumes are ideal for temporary data that is replicated across multiple instances. Thirdly is Amazon S3, where we can understand S3 is simple store service. This is an object storage service that offers scalable and durable storage for data backup, archiving, and big data analytics. Fourthly is Amazon EFS. EFS here stands for Elastic File System. This is used to manage file storage services that provide scalable shared file storage for use with EC2 instances. And finally, this is the region and availability zones in Amazon EC2 and how it works and how will it be connected to each other. Firstly, I'll be explaining about the regions. Regions here is a geographic area that contains multiple availability zones. Each region is isolated from other regions to ensure fault tolerance. Secondly is AZs. AZs here stands for availability zone. What we can understand here is that it is physically separated and isolated data centers with a region. Each AZ, which is availability zone, has an independent power, networking, and cooling, and they are connected with low latency links. And finally, is connectivity. Availability zones with a region are connected through a high speed, low latency networking, allowing you to architect applications that are highly available and fault tolerant by distributing instances across multiple AZs.
Hi, my name is Shazri. I will continue the presentation for step-by-step configuration to access and set it up an Amazon EC2 instance. So first step, navigate to EC2 dashboard. For this step, if you log into AWS, you will go to console home. Then just click EC2 shortcut on the top. Then on the left side, click on dashboard. Next, second step, launch instance. Launch instance by click instance on the left side, then click launch instance. Next, third step, select an AMI, for example Amazon Linux, Windows, Ubuntu, or another OS. Then step number 4, choose instant tab. For example, we use T2 Micro for default for free tier users. Then step number 5, create keypad. Click on create new keypad, then give keypad name and choose keypad type and private key format. For example, using RSA type and .perm for key file format. This is for use with Open SSH. Next, step number 6 is configure instance details. On network setting, choose VPC, then choose subnet. Example, here we choose my VPC, then for subnet we choose my public subnet too. Then for security group, select existing security group, then choose the security group that already exists. Then next is step number 7, add storage. For example, attach UPS, volume, configure size and type. For free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of storage. Next, step number 8, configure advanced detail. For example on here we enable termination protection. Then next, step number 9, review and launch instance. We can review summary of instance on the right side. Then after all as we wanted, then just click launch instance. After complete launch, it will show notification that says success launch instance. Next is step-by-step configuration of implementing security group in Amazon EC2 instance. For configuration security group, first step, click security group on the left side. Then next, click security group. Then give security group name, description, and attach to the VPC. Next, set up inbound rules and outbound rules. For example here, for inbound rules type, we choose SSH port 22 and HTTP port 18. Then for source, we choose IPv4 anywhere for these two. And for outbound restart, we're using all traffic. After all as we wanted, then click create security group. After complete create, it will show notification that say security group successfully created. Conclusion: Amazon EC2 provides a scalable, secure, and cost-effective cloud computing solution that meets various business needs. By leveraging EC2 features, storage solutions, and security configurations, organizations can efficiently deploy and manage applications in the cloud. The ability to scale resources dynamically, integrate with other AWS services, and choose from flexible pricing model makes EC2 preferred choice for business of all size. Furthermore, EC2 high availability and disaster recovery mechanism ensure business continue even in the face of unexpected failures. Understanding how to launch instance, configure security setting, and optimize performance is essential for maximizing the benefit of AWS EC2. As cloud computing continues to evolve, EC2 remains a cornerstone of cloud infrastructure, offering a reliable and innovative platform for modern IT operation. That's all from our group. Thank you.